Santa's favorite elf from Santa.
Good.
Why'd you lick it? It's Vlogmas Day 22. Okay, my outfit today is this white and navy blue striped t-shirt that says 1969 from Gap. These dark navy blue leggings from Amazon, and my Vans.
And read them.
To Babe, look at back from JoJo. Not a ring, sorry. Wow. Oh my gosh, it has a little tiny giraffe. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. And it's inside a heart. Look how cute it is. I love you forever. Oh.
PacSun, yay. I like PacSun.
I know.
I could get more jeans to look half-ass decent for you. Thank you, Mariah.
To Santa's favorite elf from Santa.
Good, you're an elf.
Santa came early. Our bucket list. How cute. Oh, it's like a little... And you can categorize it and put a date that you want to do it and complete it and where and how and the experience. So it's kind of like
a bucket list.
The adventure book I got you that we need to fill out too. And that one we can put pictures.
So we can put pictures in that one and then plan it in this one.
I like it.
Colombia. Ooh, a wallet. Nice.
Can you see?
Perfect.
I don't know how old your other one is, but there's no money in there.
Thank you.
I ran out.
Of things
to you
say.
from me. Oh. This feels like a lotion. It looks like a lotion.
Don't guess already.
I am guessing.
I wrapped this one good.
Yeah, what the heck? I can't even. Ooh, it's not a lotion. It's the same brand I use of the purple shampoo, but the conditioner. How'd you know? Because my videos that you watch?
No, wish list.
Oh. So you actually did use the wish list for once. Look at that, guys. He actually listens. Got you a spoon. But read it.
I seriously appreciate you.
Like cereal.
Cereal.
But you can actually use it.
Can
I think. Why'd you lick it?
I wanted to
How
see
do you know
if
it was
it's
clean?
usable.
Favorite boyfriend?
Yeah.
Like I have more?
I don't know.
And you're my favorite? You are my
different.
favorite, don't worry.
Yes.
Good luck guessing. I think it's like a perfume set or something that has multiple. Bath and Body Works plug-in.
Yeah.
I knew it was something that had multiple.
That's
a lot.
Yeah.
Good.
I got the right ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I remember it was wallflower.
Yeah.
Define design. Aww. Aww, that's so cute. I love being yours.
And then the top says XOXO Zoey.
XOXO.
Smells good.
Oh my god, that smells so good. What is it? Does it say?
I think
that smells. I like that.
Yeah. But you have to keep the jar
like
even after you burn it all because of how cute this packaging is.
Okay. It smells like strawberry. Can you use that bag?
Ooh! An iPhone 11 case with the little poppy out thingy. My camera's gonna die soon. We had to switch to his camera because mine's dying and I never charge it, so.
Cards Against Humanity, thank God. I've been wanting this forever.
I know. From my mommy.
Yay. Now we can bring out the moms.
Yeah,
and
play it.
Burrito.
If we can remember.
I'm excited to play this. I've always wanted to play this.
And this is the...
This is the regular one.
Yeah. But I think it came with... Yeah, updated for 2021.
Okay. Perfect.
So it probably has like TikTok stuff too in it. Oh, a the
car mount.
car mount for my phone.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to help me install it. How cool! But it's fancy. Cool! And it won't turn on me.
Yeah.
I can't get it out. You gotta. How do you get it out?
How do you get it out, babe?
I don't know.
Pinch this out.
This like this?
Is it rocks?
Yes. He got you coal.
Yes. This is a lot. Oh, nice. That's a lot.
It comes with it. It's all together.
Oh my god. Wow.
Cool, huh?
That is really cool.
And they're electrical tools, so the ones with it tells you. The ones with the yellow you can use directly on it.
Uh-huh. Damn.
And then you can carry it.
That's perfect. Awesome. I really need that. It goes perfect with the toolbox.
Yep.
That's perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The cutest girl in the world from a solid 5.6 on his good day. Wow.
That's me. That's me, babe.
That is?
Yeah.
I see all kinds of stuff in here. I hope your day is as nice as your butt. Keychain. Wow, baby. Thanks. I love you. Oh, how cute. I see giraffe. Did you really get me giraffe socks? Giraffes make me happy. People, not so much. Literally, I love these. Oh, they're cute. Wait, is it upside down? Oh yeah, because then when I put my...
when you're laying down.
How cute! Giraffe keychain. Let your faith be taller than your fears.
So
Get it?
cute,
Because
right?
it's a giraffe.
It's so cute.
I love it. All these giraffe themed things.
I know.
Hey, what is this? This is from my Amazon
I think it is.
wish list. Radiate positivity. It's so cute. The heck?
I don't think this one was, but maybe it was. It's like a dress.
I think it was on my thing. It was. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
I
little
really
black.
liked it.
Yeah. It's like a good
dress.
date night going out. And the back is like slit.
Yeah.
And then you have this around your neck.
You gotta try that on tonight.
Okay. And a little fringy at the bottom.
Yeah.
Don't use the spoon! It's a multi-tool kit for you.
Spoon. Whoa.
Yeah. It all fit in that box. That's what I was saying. I didn't realize. And these microfiber cloths.
I gotta go through. Spray and rinse. That's perfect because I needed something to clean the plastic. Detail. Mist and wipe. Liquid wax. Ooh. Plastic, cleaner and polish. Ooh, the leather. And all metal polish. Ooh. That's
And
normally the and then there's microfiber. Dang, babe.
this one's a puppy. Don't shake it.
Oh my god. Is this payback?
No. It came like that, so it didn't break.
Ooh.
It's a matching lamp.
Is it the same one?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So you can have the matching
Perfect,
on the
I
other
don't want
side.
that other dingy one.
Yeah, so now you can have...
Where's the rest of it though?
I think it's underneath it. Just the lampshade. I couldn't afford the rest. So I just ordered you the lampshade.
We ordered the lampshades.
Do the best GF in the world from your favorite boyfriend.
Yeah.
Not my least
Not
favorite.
your second favorite. Just your favorite.
Ooh, you got this! The Adventure Challenge Couples Edition.
I really want it.
I want to open it. Ooh, how cute! And you scratch it off, right?
Oh.
So, yeah, so one, disconnect to reconnect. The purpose here is to unplug from everyday life. No take-backs, document the journey, and show it off. And then before 9 p.m., 3 to 4 hours, and it tells you it only cost 15 cents or $15. Oh, $0 to $15 for the cost, and you scratch it off.
Oh,
that's cool.
That's
It tells you how long it's going to take, meals, snacks.
that's interesting.
Indoors, outdoors, home, away, daylight, nighttime filming. So cool.
Is it sticky?
I think you peel it off.
Oh, okay.
That's so cool. Now we have all these adventure books.
Yeah, I'm hyped for this.
I know. This one's like really cute and like professional.
And then we could also use the bucket list.
Yeah. That just makes them even better. Yep, I can wear them with my Birkenstocks. And you're gonna hate it.
100%. So the spoon says, I seriously appreciate you. We got a keychain that says, I hope your day is as nice as your butt. This is another giraffe with, let your faith be taller than your fears. We got a candle that's saying, I love being yours, with the top saying, XOXO Zoey. So here is the new phone case. And it sits up. So it's cute.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Chili! I'm doing an outro on my phone really quick, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and all of our gifts and our chili. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when you upload. That did not make sense. Make sure you hit the bell. No. I'm so tired. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.